Welcome to Plant a Garden TV and welcome to our food forest. Okay, today we're going to be doing some cleaning in our food forest. We have some squash. You were able to see we have some squash. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to actually be cleaning, because right now the rain is really coming down. So when the rain comes, what happens is these weeds tend to grow pretty fast, and I'm taking them out because they're way too tall right now. The truth is, your food forest should be feeding itself. Yes, when you pull these out, these should be going back, recycling back into the soil. These should actually go in right back into your soil and feed your plants. This is an organic garden, and in an organic garden, you try to do it natural. In every food forest, if you have land and you have the space, you should definitely be able to clean up your garden and use these as a recycle back into your soil. When you garden in the natural way, guys, it's a lot more work. It's a lot more work, but it comes with a lot more benefit, because while we spraying and doing all them kind of stuff, we're not helping our soil. We actually messing with our soil and even with our food. So I try to do it the manual way, which is come in the garden and clean it, try to get some of the weeds out, because the thing is, with the weeds, the more the rain comes, the more the weeds grow. So it's like you got to try to maintain and keep the weeds down from taking over your plant, because if you allow them, they definitely will take over your plant. So the soil is very soft now. So what I'm going to be doing now, I have some yam right down in this area that I have to use my shovel and mold up the whole area down there and actually put a lot of soil around the root, because I see some yam and these yam need molding up. Alright guys, so this is what I was doing. I was actually cleaning and molding up the garden. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.